Let's keep going up. Oh, look, usually there's not even water here. Now there's water. Oh. That's cool. Just chilling. For me. Let's go up a bit. Into the shade. Oh, wait. That one's cool, too. They're all living together. Let's go look over here. Let's go check it out. Okay, so the bike ride was a bust. Bike ride or bust. Come on, let's keep going. Some nice garbage. But I've never been like higher up this way. Cool, well now I can see why the creek was kind of like this, eh? You can see that it was, wondering why. Come on, let's keep going. I was wondering why it had that kind of a ridge there. Now I know. Oh, look at that, you guys. Come on, Wolf, I got the snacks. That is a nice one. That's a nice basalt stone. Look at that. Cool. Look at you guys. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna put that in my bag for sure. Look at this cool creek. Usually we pick farther down, but I think we're going to hang out here today. Just got to get that monkey. That's a nice one. Nice blue quartz. Very nice.